Alright, we're at Oakwood Country Club, the maintenance building. Right now we have the camera down inside of the grinder lift station outside. We're looking at the bottom of the grommet where the 4-inch PVC comes into the tank. We have the outside of the tank, the pit that we had to dig to get down to this grommet, full of water. The pipe outside is about a foot underneath the water. So we've pressurized the outside. So this is the bottom of the grommet here, and there's no evidence of any water coming in. It's 11:22 of 22, by the way. So as we come up, you can kind of see the side and the top. But due to the lid down inside of there separating the two chambers, this is about the only angles we can get on it. But like I said, if it were to be leaking around the grommet, it would all be trailing to the bottom.
Can you show the opening in the pipe? Yeah.
Alright. Well,